One of the biggest missteps is beginning the search before getting pre-approved. Knowing what a lender will approve gives clarity, avoids disappointment, and signals to sellers that a buyer is serious. Costs go beyond just the sticker price. Legal fees, inspection costs, insurance, maintenance, and even furniture add up fast. Having a comprehensive budget that includes both upfront expenses and ongoing ones helps avoid financial surprises down the line. Chasing a perfect house often leads to frustration. Prioritizing must-haves over nice-to-haves makes the process more realistic. Many first homes are stepping stones. Upgrades and adjustments can come later. Financial overextension is risky. Buying at the top of the budget can leave little room for emergencies or rising costs. Choosing a price point that allows some breathing space ensures more stability and less stress. Skipping inspections may save money in the moment but can cost much more later if hidden problems are discovered. Investing in professional inspection gives peace of mind and bargaining power if issues are found. It's vital not to overlook neighborhood factors. Visiting at different times, checking local schools, amenities, future developments, and the vibe of the community all matter. The home isn't just the building, it's the environment around it. Rushing a decision under competitive pressure can lead to regret. Taking time to understand all options and waiting until comfortable to make an offer is essential. A trusted real estate professional can help guide at a steady pace. Going it alone increases risks. Real estate agents bring market knowledge, negotiation skills, and experience. With their help, the process tends to be smoother and more informed. First-time home buyers can build a strong foundation by preparing well, staying realistic, and asking for help. With those principles, the home buying journey becomes one of confidence, clarity, and peace of mind.